My name's Mitch, and this is my buddy Lance. Together, we're exploring interesting spots local to the GTA and getting to them in cool new cars. Grab the keys and hop in as we go round the block. On today's episode, we're going to the Markham Fair
in the 2019 Honda Passport, provided by Markham Honda.
So you may be thinking, a series where one of the main features is cool cars and they decide on a Honda Passport? Don't be so quick to judge. If Ferraris and Lamborghinis were really that great, wouldn't everybody be driving them? It's Honda. Their reputation precedes them. You know you're getting a car that can take a beating, and this one's marketed towards camping and roughing it in the outdoors. This baby's fully loaded. Let's see what this puppy has to offer. '19 Honda Passport. It's a pretty big and spacious SUV, as it is. What I'm noticing right here.
I was about to say.
Oh yeah, take it away, Lance. What are you noticing here?
So I'm very warm right now with my heated seats.
Where exactly are you warm?
But I won't tell you where, but it's very nice. And then after, if I was getting too warm, at the press of a button, you can change it from heated seats to cooling seats. In the winter and the summer here in Canada, you need those.
I'm blown away by how it handles and how it just feels to drive. Like, it's so lightweight and has so much pep that it feels like you're driving a compact car almost. It's crazy. I'm taking the wrong left here. But we do have navigation, which is great. Markham Fair. Let's see what this is all about.
What is special about this year's Markham Fair?
Oh, this is an extra special year this year. We're celebrating our 175th Markham Fair. We have our livestock competitions and our agricultural competitions, cooking competitions, and Old Mac's barn, so you can see the animals. We have lots happening at the fair this year.
So what's your favorite part of the Markham Fair?
Well, definitely the anticipation of the fair is my favorite part. The build up of the fair, and on Thursday morning when our gates open and the first buses show up at the fairgrounds and you see the kids getting off the bus and they're so excited to be at the fair and they see the Ferris wheel and all the different attractions happening. That's my favorite part of the fair.
And we're here in the 2019 Honda Passport.
Come on out and celebrate with us for our 175th fair.
You might see me hanging out with Fair Crow.
Now it's time we really put this baby to the test. We're ditching the trail and traversing the ditch.
This is what it's about, the passport, make your own road.
Exactly. What?
Wow,
Good lord.
I love this.
Not the usual angle I'm used to driving at. Think you can do it again? There you go. Oh yeah. Oh baby. So what's the verdict? Can this thing handle the off-road?
They can handle the off-road.
It can handle your country roads and everything in between.
Let's drive up Everest next.